Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have, again, one of my favorite deals. Slowly but surely, my favorite deals. It's the Harbor Freight Dollar Days. Dollar Days. Always some dollar days. And before we jump in, if you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's get to it. Dollar Days. Also hype up the video if you have some hypes left. Dollar Days, now through 10/8. We have quite a few deals to keep track of, and we will do our best to keep track of them. So these are going through October 8th, which is fantastic, starting tomorrow. So for the next couple weeks, overlapping somewhat with the parking lot sale. But here we go. Pittsburgh Battery Terminal Cleaner, 74% off, starting with a banger from Pittsburgh, $1. If you haven't cleaned your battery terminals, go pick these up for $1 and clean your battery terminals. It'll help the life of your battery so you don't get stuck somewhere. Excellent deal on the battery terminals. We've seen this one before, the 144 lumen ultra bright portable LED work light and flashlight, 44% off, down to $1. This has been free, and for $1, it's worth a flyer. Give it to your kids. Keep it in the glove box. I've heard good things about this light. There's been good feedback from the HARBROs in the comments. Let me know if you agree. Maybe you disagree. Then we have the 6-inch microfiber applicator pad with pocket, $1, 32% off. Moving on, we got the Western safety glasses, available in 3 colors, smoke, yellow, and clear. 49% off for $1. $1 per glasses. That seems a pretty good deal. 49% off. Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial plug, your choice. Don't discriminate, female or male. 33% off at $2. That is a nice brass industrial plug. Don't misspell brass. We got the 0.2 fluid ounce semi-permanent thread lock. And you know my gripe against these, it's in a red bottle and it's blue. There has to be a reason for that. I'm just ignorant too. There has to be. Save 69%. I see that. That's an excellent savings. 33% off here. $2. So solid deal. But someone tell me why it's in a red bottle. Quinn alert. Continuing on. Quinn alert. The 2-inch putty knife for $2. Normally $3. 33% off. Solid deal. Storehouse 18 compartment small storage container for $2. 33% off. Excellent for storage. Pittsburgh fluid siphon pump. $3. 57% off. We're hitting it. There hasn't been anything less than 32% off. So these dollar days are hitting the mark. Again, Pittsburgh fluid siphon pump, $3. Normally $7. 57% off. Great deal. And the goodies continue. Pittsburgh snap ring pliers with interchangeable heads, $3. Normally $5. Almost 40% off. Hardy's nitrile dipped gardening gloves, 3 pair. 3 pairs for $3. It's $1 a pair. I mean, that sounds like a good deal. They seem pretty solid. 24% off, available in small, medium, or large, extra large. Next, Pittsburgh 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader. It'll help you spread them. $3. 24% off. We got the Greenwood trigger spray nozzle, $4. 19% off. Looks like a nice water hose. Spray nozzle. We got the Warrior 1 3/8 plunge flush cutting blade for oscillating multi-tools at $4. Normally $9. 55% off. They are getting me good. Gordon utility blades with dispenser 50-pack. Just for organization's sake of where you're keeping your blades, these are clutch. $4. 33% off. Love me some Gordon. Then we have the 10-ounce compressed air, $5. Normally $7. 28% off. Always good to have some compressed air, unless you have one of those fancy Fantex that blows like a hurricane. Next, a 7-function digital multimeter, $5. 37% off. Crazy good deal on a 7-function digital multimeter, $5. What a tool. What a good price. Next, the Bauer 4.5-inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 27 42 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $6. Normally $8. 24% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh Pro Alert. Let's go. Pittsburgh Pro Alert. Universal impact joint set, 2-piece, $6. Normally $10. 39% off compared to SunX, which sounds excellent. More Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set, 34 piece for $6. If you don't have a precision screwdriver set, this is going to be the one to pick up at 39% off, because even if this does qualify for the October Pittsburgh 35% off screwdrivers, which it might. Oh, maybe the Quinn set. Is this clickable yet? We got some digging to do. But this is only 35%, which it's only a few more percent, but 39%. You're getting this off for even cheaper than it will be at the parking lot sale. So $6, almost 40% off. Great deal. Then we have the Armstrong 17-inch to 42-inch swivel tilt TV wall mount, $7, normally $10, almost 30% off. Then we have the Central Pneumatic pistol grip tire inflator with dial gauge for $8, normally $10, almost 20% off. Hallmaster 5/8-inch trailer ball mount lock with 2 keys, $9, 24% off. And then last but not least, we have the 8-foot by 4-inch by 11, 8-foot and 4-inch by 11-foot 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant tarp, $9, 18% off. So I feel like this was some good hitters here for the dollar days. Got the precision set, Pittsburgh Pro with the lifetime warranty for $6, impact joint set 2-piece, $5 multimeter, Gordon dispensers, $3 interchangeable heads, snap ring pliers, some clamps to spread them, and a flashlight for $1, and some battery terminal cleaners for $1. Feels pretty good. Let me know your thoughts. Anybody been taking advantage of the deals of the day? Anybody get their Banks nailer or take advantage of getting a welder who got their 5-foot basically Icon pry bar, $69.99, or any Icon scanners in shop? What have you been getting? And then we'll just use this as a friendly reminder. Deal of the day for tomorrow. I know you already know it because you've seen the release days. Deal of the day, and we'll just get a clearer look here. Deal of the day for $13.99, 26% off for the US General Mini Steel Toolbox. Sounds like there's plenty of stock for everybody. $14, excellent deal. And that's what we have. If you find this useful, again, please consider liking and or subscribing. Please hype it up. I don't know if it helps, but if you have some hype lying around, feel free to hype up. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.